Hi there and welcome to another episode of Soulful Garage. There are some accessory parts for classic cars like this one over here, which have become fairly rare. One, for example, is that original Porsche transaxle roof rack. While mounting it is not really a big deal. However, we thought it might be helpful for you to know what to expect if you are keen on getting one for yourself. So, after searching the whole internet, we finally found one of those rare roof racks for those Porsche 924, 944 as well. And let's see what we got. And of course, it's the original Porsche manual from, like, let's say, ages ago. Those ones are the spacers for those mountings over here. So it looks good to me. They sit nice and tight. So we got those protection layers made of plastic. Open those up. I'm gonna fit them over here for now. This bar is not sitting too tight for now, because once we fitted the rear bar, we're gonna adjust the distance between both of them. So one would think usually this is a plug and play part, but we'll find out. First and foremost, we need to unscrew the screws in the original holes, which we are gonna use. So when we bought this car a couple of years ago, we put some screws into those holes to not get any water inside. So those are not the original ones, which might be in your car, but they do the job. So for all who have ever wondered what those holes are for, yes, you're right. They are only for those kind of roof racks that we're gonna install right now. So usually you would want to do that with a pair of extra hands, but as for today, I'm gonna use some other helpful tools to not scratch the paint job while installing the roof rack. So like in the front, we again have those kind of plastic covers, which we're gonna fit underneath to protect the vehicle's paint job. Slightly tighten one of the screws and we're gonna check on the other side. So this indeed sits quite tight and strong, but I think it's still the way it's meant to be. So from the manual, usually the distance between the bars is supposed to be 780 millimeters. But as this one is slightly bent already, we're using this edge over here as the reference line for the front bar. So over the roof, this is 80 centimeters now, and we're gonna put that on both sides. So this guarantees that the bar is just in the middle and parallel to, for example, the windscreen and the rest of the vehicle body. So we're covering that screw, and there's the option to even lock it so no one can steal your brand new roof rack. Nice. So last but not least, we have those rubbers, whatever, protectors, and they've already been cut in 2 of them. So it's all done, it looks nice and fits fairly well, I would say. And I truly hope that this video helps you mounting your roof rack on your transaxle Porsche as well, if you're lucky enough to still get one of those. Thanks for watching, guys. I see you next time.